Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Sneeze. Thank you. Oh. Of course, there's no fucking Kleenex box. Holy shit. Anyways, it's a from that line.